Hello and welcome to how to use the Tradinformed 21 candlestick patterns quick guide. Once you have downloaded and opened your spreadsheet, you will see something like this. Now each of the patterns is contained on its own tab and the name of the pattern is in the top left hand corner. Now each pattern or many of the patterns have two names, and this is because there is a bullish and a bearish form. Below this is the historical price and volume data, and to the right of this is the calculations for the pattern. And you can click into each of these cells and see what formulas are being used to create the pattern. Here we can see an example of a shooting star, and here an inverted hammer. Now this is an image to give you an idea of what the pattern typically looks like. And over here is an explanation of what the candlestick pattern does, when it appears, and how to adjust it. Now all of the patterns have a way to adjust them. In this one you can adjust the relative wick size and see how much longer the wick above the candle, above the body should be, compared to the wick below. If you want to learn more about this spreadsheet and the patterns that are included, there is a link on the screen at the moment and in the description below.